Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I want to share with you one of my must-haves when I'm traveling, which is this travel size shaving cream by Pacific Shaving Co.
My skin is super sensitive when I shave, and I really need a shaving cream that's going to help support me. So that's why this brand is my favorite. This particular one is the caffeinated shaving cream. It has a really lovely spearmint scent, which I love. And I find that it does help reduce redness and irritation when I shave. You can see that you just need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, and it has a really nice lather that makes it really easy to shave, and you're able to get a nice smooth shave each time.
I love that I can take my shaving cream with me on the go. It's the perfect size if I am traveling in an airplane or even just if I'm trying to pack light and I don't have to sacrifice on the quality of my shave or shaving cream because I got this with me at all times. Check it out. I think that you're going to love it too, but that's just my point of view.